Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Koli. Today we want to see how we can log into our system if we lose or forget the password in our Kali Linux. So here the first step is we should restart the Kali Linux, and after that so we come to this page, and here the first option I choose, I press key E, and here I come down. So here you can see it's written Linux, so it's telling the system how our OS should be boot, but I don't want to go in that much in detail now. So I will change RO to RW, so it's read only. I want to make it read and write, and after that at the end of this line I will write init equals to bin bash. So and then control X, so it means when system comes up, so the first stage should be bin and bash, and then we will access to our command line. So here now we are in the command line and we write pass wd, and when we just write pass wd, it means we want to change the password for our root. We want to change the password for our root, and also I want to change the password for user Goli, and also I change the password here, and now we can see here the password updated successfully, and again we restart the machine to see if our changes work or not. So then I will choose Kali here, so the normal login. So now here I write my user and then my password, and here we can see I could log into the system. So when you forget your password or lose it, so no worry, always there is a solution. And thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.